Hey, this is Jim, and I wanted to make a quick video going over the list building section and an idea I had for that within InstaSuite. So, like quite a few people, I already have websites set up. I'm imagining most people have at least one set up already, and I have other solutions that I've been using. So, for example, here's a landing page that I have, and there's a form in here. Then on the same site, I have another opt-in opportunity over here. So if you go into InstaSuite and you look at the drop down, the first step is to set up the SMTP. I happen to set mine up with Amazon SES. I know some people are using Aweber or services like that. The next step is to create the list, which I did. Step number 3 is to import the users. So I did that. But on this particular step, number 4, create the form. When we create a form in here, when you go to edit it, you can see that okay, it'll walk you through the steps of picking out the list in the thank you page. Then you click to the next step, you can have the confirmation email. And then it has the design here where you can change the text or make it however you want. But now on the final stage of it, it actually gives you the code. So you can choose the code with the styling. That'll make it look like it did in the design, or without the styling, and it will give you everything but that in here. So what would be great is if this system could generate just simple HTML code that could be installed in existing forms like this. So I happen to be using Thrive Leads for this, and it's a good system, but the goal here is to start getting all of these opt-ins coming directly to InstaSuite in the back end. So that way I don't have to create new landing pages for everything. So going forward, I'll just use the funnel builder and I'll create new pages and I'll connect them directly to the list that's in here. But for existing sites, I would think it'd be great if we just had the simple HTML to pull the signups right from here, right from the widget areas, and then put them directly into our list building section. So that way we start moving away from having to use all these different solutions and different logins and everything would be pulled directly here into the list building section and in the lists that we created without having to do additional pages and things like that. So I tried just using this code without the styling, but it didn't work. So whatever the reason, I guess it has to be HTML in order to do that. And it could just be something very simple to cut and paste inside, because most opt-in HTML-based forms are pretty simple. So that's it. That was the suggestion that I had. And thanks for listening.